Good morning, students. In this video we will learn to solve some questions of exercise 10C. Let's see question number 8. Question number 8, you can see it is given 4 men or 6 women earn 360 rupees 360 in one day. You have to find how much will a man earn in one day, a woman earn in one day, and 6 men and 4 women earn in one day. So student, in this question we will just see that 4 men can earn rupees 360. So we will apply unitary method. For 1 man we will find it is 360 by 4, which is rupees 90, and again it is said 4 men or 6 women. It means 4 men or 6 women earns rupees 360 equally. So 1 woman will earn 360 upon 6 equal to 90. Now they are asking for 6 men and 4 women. So for 1 we have found. So for 6 men and 4, here in this question, and means whenever it is said 6 men and 4 women, it means we have to add both the quantity earned by men and quantity earned by women. So we will add both the quantities and get the answer. For 6 men it is 6 into money earned by 1 man, and then 4 women it is 4 into 60, that is money earned by 1 woman. So 4 into 60 it is 540, 240, which will be 780. You can see the next question. In the next question it says 16 boys went to a canteen to have a tea and snacks together. The bill amount to rupees 114. What will be the contribution of a boy who pays for himself and 5 others? So you have to find for the bill paid by the boy, by a boy and 5 other boys. It means you have to add the bill of 1 boy plus 5 other boys. So we will do like this. 16 boy paid rupees this much. So 1 boy, we will apply unitary method and find the value of 1, that is 7.15. Payment of 1 boy plus 5 other boys is this one, plus 5 into the value of 1. We will add both the two and get the answer. The next question is question number 10. You can see question 10. It is said 50 laborers can dig a pound in 16 days. How many laborers will be required to dig another pond double in size in 20 days? So this is very easy question. This type of question we have done last. We will let the laborers as L and D as days, and then we will write L into D, and we have to find L into 20. So from here we can find the value of L, that is 40 laborers. We have done this type of question. Next question is question number 12. You can see question number 12, it is given 3 men or 6 boys can finish work in 20 days. How long 4 men and 12 boys can finish the same work? So amount of work is same here. Now 3 men equal to 6 boys, we have already studied this, can do in 20 days. So 3 men equal to 6 boys, so 1 man will be equal to 2 boys. So 4 men will be equal to 4 into 2, that is 8 boys. It means 4, you can say 4 men or you can say 8 boys, both are equal. So 6 boys can do in 20 days, so 1 boy will do in less, 1 boy will be doing in more days, so it will be 20 into 6. And 8 boys, you have to find the value of 4 men and 12 boys. So you can say 4 men or 8 boys, so it will be 8 plus 12 boys is equals to 20 into 6 upon 8 plus 12, that is 20. which will be equal to the value of 20 boys is equals to 6 days. Now in 20 boys we have 4 men, so it will be equal to 4 men and 20 boys can do it in 6 days. Here 20 boys means 8 boys and 8 boys means 4 men. So 4 men plus 12, we have to find the value of this amount, 4 men and 12 boys, which is equal to 6 days. The next question is question number 13, and this question is a very important question. Question number 13 is saying you have to find a particular work can be completed by 6 men and 6 women in 24 days, whereas the same work can be completed by 8 men and 12 women in 15 days. You have to find according to the amount of work done, one man is equivalent to how many women, and the time taken by 4 men and 6 women to complete the same work. Okay, so here in the question 6 men and 6 women can do in 24. So 24 men and 24 in 20, that is you have to find the value of, it is given for 24 days this much men and women can do. So for one day 24 multiplied by 6 men and 6 women, that is 144 men and 144 women will be completing the work in one day. And next part is given 8 men and 12 women is doing 15 days. So for one day you will calculate, one day it will be taking more time, so 120 men will be required and 180 women will be required. So first part is, now both are equal because amount of work is same, so we will calculate here men and women. So one man is equals to 3 by 2, which is equals to 1 whole 1 by 2 women. So the first part they are saying, according to, you have to find the equivalent amount of men and women. So where the first part is done, one man is equivalent to 1 whole 1 by 2 women. Now second part they are saying you have to find the time taken by 4 men and 6 women. Okay, now six men and 6 women can do a work in, so one man is equals to 3 by 2 women, so 6 men will be equal to 6 into 3 by 2, we have found 15 women's. Now 4 men and 6 women, which will be equal to 12 women. So 15 women can do in 24 days, which is given in your question. So one woman will be doing in more days, so that will be multiplied 15 into 24, and 12 women will be doing in 15 into 24 upon 12, that is 30 days. So student, this question is very important. You can just have a look to this question, and I will send the PDF of these questions which you have to solve it in your maths fair copy. Thank you class.